Look what showed up at my doorstep today. Looky there, look at that. I would say 5 pounds at least on a case. I would say this weighs 10 times as much as a normal China doll case. Look at the workmanship. That is so nice, dude. I'm about ready to crack her open and get some measurements. I already took her measurement here, and we are like 91 across. 90, 91 across that way. And this way we're 80. So 90 millimeters by 80, so we can do any cylinder. But the way it's set up, you can hang way off and no problem. So I really like that. Let's just double check this case. Make sure 9 that way and 8 that way. We're good. Let's check out how much extra room we got in the magneto case. In the magneto case, we have 93 inches that way. Top to bottom, we are 70 millimeters across. Okay, in our chain sprocket, dead center, we are 53. Top to bottom, we are, holy cow, look at all that room. You could fit 420 chain in there. We are 76 millimeters that way. Let's check our clutch plate. Okay. Look at all that extra room in the clutch. I mean, that clutch you could put in a giant clutch. In that hole you could put in. It's deeper. It's smoother. What's wild is these lines look like they aren't smooth, but that's perfectly smooth there, guys. That's just some kind of boring cut. That is the CNC machine cut. You can tell that they have a CNC machine and they're using about a 1/4 inch bit, 5/16 bit to cut that. And you can see where they started the cut right down there. My dog's going crazy because he's mad at me, but I'll crack that open. Let's crack it open and take a look inside. Ooh, I want some measurements inside and drop a crank in it. Oh, I like that. Look out. See, now everybody thinks that's not smooth, but it is. Oh. Okay, that would be easy to try and... I never got to measure this out though. So let's measure it out. And then I'll do volume. It'd be a lot easier to do volume because these would be closed for seals. That is awesome, Ryan. Very impressed. Okay. Our depth is 45 depth on the reed box. Our width is, let's do the top width. The top width is 44 to 43, and then we're tapering down to 21. So there's a calculation right there for you. Now let's get the width. Okay, we are about 18 millimeters width. It's double that. Okay, let's check our clutch. Standard clutch. This would be real easy to convert this over to 6302s too. But yes, all this is smooth though. That is smooth. It doesn't look like it's smooth, guys, but that's machine smooth CNC, and that's dunked in a machine to make her shine. That's some serious machining. Okay, here's the clutch I've been dying to try on Doug Owens' clutch. That is amazing work, guy. That is definitely going to be worth the 40 bucks or 30 bucks he wants for it. That is going to make our clutches work so much better because it's going to push all the pressure into that one space right there. I haven't tested it, but I'm talking the weight. Our weight is double. These cuts are perfect though, smooth. That's just the CNC cuts that you see the circles. 2 cases though, and Ryan sent me a cool little complimentary. I know I said I would never build another China doll, but he wants me to, so he was really impressed by this. So I'm gonna just throw one together. I don't know what I'll do with it. See the bridge port and the transfer, or I mean in the intake. That is, by the way, one of the best shapes for a transfer, so you don't lose any pressure. And then these bridges right there are inset, and that's a different kind of porting. That is, I don't know what you'd call it. I'd call it inset porting. It's where you cut it out through there. Let's go this way. That away. Happy building. Thanks, guys.